ជំរាបសួរបងប្អូនសម្រាប់ថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើបង្ហាញជូនពីរបៀបញ៉ាំម្សៅរបៀបថៃបងប្អូនរបៀបសៀម Hello everyone. For today I'm going to make the glass noodle salad and this Thai style. Here are the ingredients. I have green onion, garlic, ខ្ទឹមស្លឹកខ្ទឹមយើងណាបងប្អូនខ្ទឹមហើយនឹងខ្ទឹមស Cilantro Leaves ស្លឹកជីបន្សុយ and some chili ម្ទេសបងប្អូនអាចដាក់តាមតម្រូវការបងប្អូនចូលចិត្តណាសម្រាប់ខ្ញុំមិនសូវប៉ិនហើអ្នកខ្លះក្នុងគ្រួសារខ្ញុំខ្លះក៏ចេះញ៉ាំហិលខ្លះក៏អត់ចេះអញ្ចឹងហើយគឺពេលញ៉ាំដាក់តាមក្រោយនេះគ្រាន់តែដាក់តែបន្តិចដំបូង so and this some chili you can add as much as you want and soy sauce ទឹកស៊ីអ៊ីវ and this lemon juice ទឹកក្រូចឆ្មា fish sauce ទឹកត្រី sugar ស្ករ also salt don't forget salt make more taster and then for vegetable I have celery leaf and stem. This regular celery for you can use regular one or celery or Chinese celery is up to you. And then red onion and this tomato, Roman tomato, and imitation crab, and then shrimp. And this glass noodle I soak in water about 15 minutes, and then it's after 15 minutes it look like this. So សម្រាប់ម្សៅនេះបងប្អូនត្រាំ5-10 minutes 10 minutes ទៅ5-10 minutes 10 to 15 minutes, and after that it look like this. And this is the one that glass noodle that I use it at 300 grams for 8 piece in one bag, 300 grams. And this fish sauce I use it. ប៉ុន្តែបងប្អូនចង់ប្រើម៉ាកអីក៏បានដែរប៉ុន្តែក្តាម3នេះគឺឆ្ងាញ់ហើយវាមិនសូវធំក្លិនណា This brand is not too smell is strong, is smell good, not too strong. Now let boiling the shrimp first, ស្ងោរ shrimp សិនណា This shrimp for 2 minutes. សម្រាប់ shrimp នេះបងប្អូនចំអិន 2 minutes ណា2 minutes. It's in 2 minutes. 2 minutes បងប្អូន boiling the clear noodle ឆ្លាស់ noodle នេះដាក់ស្រុះទឹកមកទុនណាបងប្អូនទឹកដេញយើងស្រុះ shrimp ហ្នឹងយកដាក់ស្រុះម្សៅហ្នឹង This you use the same pot, the same water that we cook shrimp. Put in the big bowl. And for fish sauce, I need to pound this garlic. Butter, salt, and some chili. Sugar.នេះទឹកត្រី fish sauce. Soy sauce ទឹកស៊ីអ៊ីវ and lemon juice. This add all the ingredients. Onion and and shrimp. And crab meat. Đám. And put all the sauce. Mix it all combined together. Cilantro Leaves. Srap chi vần sôi á. Look, thanh tịnh.
I'm gonna get a taste too. Well, we should use a fork actually. Yeah, let's use a fork. Good. Can't wait to eat it.
Sầm rạp nhom mà xua là biệt Thái ní cứ ruột sập cột phải bong ồn ruột chít ngăn mà giang vì bọc mài dưỡng á hayខ្ញុំសង្ឃឹមថាបងប្អូននឹងចូលចិត្ត recipe នេះមិនខានសូមអរគុណជម្រាបលា for glass noodle salad is finished ready to serve. I hope you like the recipe and enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. The taste very amazing. You will like this recipe. Bye bye.